Samber Sabatakla, and you're watching ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. Coming up are today's major headlines. Workshop on rubella and measles vaccination campaign in Asmara. Efforts to enhance student performance in Deforestation. Deforestation rate in Brazil's Amazon halved in 2023. And the Turkey military has neutralized 32 Kurdish militants. On your domestic reports, the Ministry of Health conducted a workshop to launch measles and rubella vaccination campaign and vitamin A distribution in 12 and 13 January in Asmara. The main objective of the vaccine that is scheduled to be given to children aged 9 to 59 months from April 10 to 14 aims to introduce a new approach to move measles and rubella from control to eradication stage and prevent and control cross-border infections. The workshop that was attended by heads of regional health branches, conveners of vaccination programs, awareness and information bodies, and representatives of relevant UN agencies discussed the activities and results of cervical cancer vaccination campaign, the measles epidemic, and the importance of developing an action plan on measles and rubella vaccination campaign, awareness raising and preparation of campaign materials, post-vaccination monitoring of adverse effects, and vitamin A distribution were presented and discussed. Representatives of vaccination programs in the regions, on their part, explained the overall objectives, expansions of health facilities, plans for the national vaccination and vitamin A distribution campaign, supplies, facilities, and budgets required for the campaign, and potential challenges. They gave suggestions and recommendations to ensure that facilities are delivered in a timely manner and awareness activities to be intensified. Head of the National Immunization Program at the Ministry of Health, Mr. Tedros Adhanom, told the Eritrean news agency ERI-TV that the national implementation of vaccination programs has been successful, and more than 487,000 children aged 6 months to under 5 years will be vaccinated against measles and rubella, and more than 500,000 children are planned to be given vitamin A during the national campaign that will start in April. Mr. Tedros also urged for adequate participation of human resources and to ensure increased access by reducing wastage. Encouraging progress is being witnessed in the national examination results in Deforestation town, as dedicated efforts are being made to enhance student performance. Mr. Johannes Gabrav, director of Nafa Secondary School, reported that there has been a consistent increase in the number of students achieving high scores and gaining admission to colleges over the past 3 years. Mr. Johannes explained that rigorous monitoring and support have been extended to students in grades 9 and 11, with a special focus on providing additional education to grade 11 students. He expressed optimism about achieving satisfactory results in this year's national exams. These achievements are a testament to the collaborative efforts of the school, teachers, students, and parent committee, Mr. Johannes emphasized. He also highlighted that female participation has reached an impressive 53%, with women demonstrating commendable competitiveness. This year, Nafa Secondary School is accommodating 1,100 students, according to reports. On your last local news, in the San Afes subzone, it has been emphasized that public awareness should be reinforced to effectively manage communicable diseases in general, with a particular focus on sexually transmitted diseases. During a seminar to students and civil servants, Mr. Asier Al-Azhar, the head of the health branch in the subzone, said that due to the concerted efforts of the Ministry of Health in collaboration with stakeholders, the number of new communicable disease infections has reached an all-time low. He emphasized the necessity of a united campaign to completely eradicate these diseases. Mr. Azier also pointed out that the improper use of antibiotics has become a global health challenge. He added that when antibiotics are used incorrectly, the disease-causing organisms develop resistance to the medication. Participants in these seminars called for the continuation of similar health-related seminars as they have proven instrumental in raising awareness and reducing the prevalence of communicable diseases. Dear viewers, still to come here on ERi-TV is your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. The rate of deforestation in Brazil's Amazon fell by nearly 50% in 2023 compared to the previous year. Space Agency data suggests this. Preliminary data from National Space Agency INP showed 5,153 square kilometers of the Amazon were cleared in 2023, down from 10,278 square kilometers in 2022. Brazil's Environment Ministry said it was the lowest recorded deforestation rate in the last 5 years. Though smaller than in previous years, the deforested area is still more than 6 times the size of New York City. President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva pledged to end deforestation by 2030 when he took office a year ago. On today's final report, Turkey's military has killed 23 Kurdish militants in northern Iraq and 9 in northern Syria. The Defense Ministry said today, January 13, a day after 9 Turkish soldiers were killed in a clash. The ministry said Turkish forces carried out airstrikes in northern Iraq and northern Syria, and its ground forces bombarded the 2 regions. Turkish forces have been carrying out a cross-border operation called Klolok in Iraq as part of the country's offensive against the PKK militants. The PKK, designated a terrorist group by Turkey, the United States and the European Union, took up arms against the Turkish state in 1984. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Workshop on rubella and measles vaccination campaign in Asmara. Efforts to enhance students' performance in Adita Kaleza. Deforestation rate in Brazil's Amazon halved in 2023. And the Turkey military has neutralized 32 Kurdish militants. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.